Welcome back, North Loft family. We are here once again.
Hi. Hey friends, how's it going? Hope you all are having an amazing day. We would like to kind of continue this little mini segment of creating meditation and restoration in chances and in moments where we are not able to access yoga. I would like to offer you the idea today of an upper body restoration. A lot of times we have super tight shoulders, upper back issues, neck stuff is always kind of happening. And so these are a few of my favorite postures that I'd like to share with you all that I hope you can take with you on or off of your mats. All right, friends, so let's get started. I'm super excited. So Maria and Audrey are going to show you all advancements and or modifications of class. So we'll get started off in a traditional supported fish. So you'll have two blocks. Now keep in mind always your blocks have three heights. There's low, medium, and high. The taller that your blocks are, the more deeper and more advanced the posture will become. And then Audrey is going to show you a really cool modification that you can take where you have a bolster underneath you. You can also use a pillow if you'd like, or you can take a towel and wrap it up. The idea of this posture is that the top of your head is going to be laying on the top portion of your block to support your occipital bone, that bone that's behind your skull, and the bottom block is going to be right underneath your heart bone, your chest bone. So the really nice thing about this posture is you can place your feet together to touch, knees out wide. You can place your feet out long in front of you. You can place your hands up to receive energy, hands facing down to feel more grounded. You can also place one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly if you'd like to feel your chest expand and rise and lower. And I like to take this posture for about 5 to 10 breaths. It's just a really great heart opener, especially in like very cold months. This is a really great way to just keep our hearts open. And this is a great time to also create an intention for class as well. I'd like to offer an intention for today, and the intention is coming into situations with an open heart. A lot of times we are very resistant to change or we fear the unknown. And taking postures like this, coming into an open heart, really allows you to push beyond what you thought was inaccessible. And it's also a really great way to cultivate change throughout your mind and your body. So I offer you the idea of coming into new situations with an open heart. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Release that with a nice loud open mouth exhale. Another one just like that, deep breath in, fill up. Nice loud open mouth exhale. Now on your next inhale, breathe in through your nose, lick and seal your lips, and breathe out through your nose. This is your Ujjayi breath. You're creating a nice constriction in the back of your throat. This helps build heat throughout your body. Always know if you need to switch your open mouth exhales to release that heat, that is always an option for you. Now, before we transition to our next posture, I always welcome the idea of creating small movements to your fingers and toes, rolling out your wrists and ankles, nodding your head from side to side, slowly awakening the body, really allowing yourself to feel the benefits that you just took with this posture. And when you're ready, roll onto one side just to get off of either your bolster or your block into a nice little baby fetal pose. And I always like to encourage using your bicep as a pillow. Take a couple of breaths here just to really accept and enjoy the benefits of supported fish. And then when you're ready, we'll come into a tabletop position. We're going to stack our shoulders over our wrists, your hips over your knees. You'll create a nice neutral long spine, as you can see on Audrey here. You're shining the crown of your head long in front of you. Place weight into all of your fingers onto your mat, splaying out your fingers and wrists. And I like to take a nice gentle rock forward and back. This helps really opening up your wrists. If you'd like a little advancement here, you can place your fingers towards your knees and place generous bend into your wrist here. Nice, friends. And after you've endured these awesome benefits of this posture, inhale cow pose. You're gonna drop your belly, send your gaze up in front of you, really giving your neck a nice extension here. Exhale, cat pose. You'll arch your back, send your gaze towards your navel or your belly button, whatever's comfortable here for you. And then we'll take this rolling. Inhale, cow pose. Drop your belly, send your gaze up. Exhale, cat, arch your back, send your gaze towards your belly button. And take these a few times. I would say probably 5 or 6 times here to really allow for your neck to extend, contract. You can also circle your neck to the left and to the right. You can take full body rolls as well here too, just to really help elongate your spine. Take whatever feels comfortable here for you. You can also create a small little pitter patter with your feet onto your mat by tapping forward and back as well. And then when you're ready, take a nice, beautiful tabletop position. And on your next inhale, send your right arm up towards the ceiling. Exhale, thread the needle. You're going to send your arm through towards the opposite side of the wall, and then you're going to plant your right ear onto your mat. You can also take a half bind here as well too by taking your open arm, placing it over your back hip. Definitely feel the benefits of this posture. It's going to open up your shoulders as well, which is really, really awesome. Take one more nice deep breath in. Nice loud open mouth exhale. When you're ready, unhook, unthread your needle, send it back into space, and this time give your arm a nice circular motion, really help open up your shoulder blades here. You can also rotate your wrists forward. And then when you're ready, come into a static tabletop position. Lift your opposite arm up towards the ceiling. Circle out your wrists here. Exhale, thread the needle. Send your arm through towards the opposite side. You want to maintain balance on both sides here. So make sure that if you took the bind on one side, if it feels comfortable in your practice, to feel free and take it on the other. I like to keep nice open mouth exhales here, but if you want to create heat throughout your body, keep those ujjayi breaths throughout your nose. One more beautiful deep breath in, and your choice of exhale. On your next inhale, unhook your needle, arm aligned, send your arm back up towards the ceiling, circle your shoulders clockwise and counterclockwise. Feel free to roll out your wrists and ankles and come into a static tabletop position. And then in your next posture, we're going to take happy puppy. In this posture, you're going to splay out your arms long in front of you, keeping your hips nice and elevated. You're going to bring your chin towards your mat. If you'd like a little bit of an advancement here, Audrey is going to show you. If you place your hands underneath 2 blocks, or you can take 2 towels, wrap them up, or 1 gigantic pillow. This is really great because it helps elevate your body up a little bit more to create a deeper posture stretch. You can stay here for as long as feels comfortable for you. You can also place your forehead onto your mat if that feels comfortable as well, like Maria's done. Take this posture for whatever feels comfortable here for you, however many breaths you need. Stake out with your open mouth exhales here as well too. Take one more deep breath in. Deep breath out. On your next inhale, press weight into your fingers, come back up to a seat. Spread your legs out long in front of you. Come into a nice seated position here, crossing your legs. Place your hands on your thighs. We'll take a few rolling cat-cows here just to enjoy the benefits we've just taken. So you're going to inhale cow pose this time, stick out your chest. Send your gaze up towards the top of the ceiling. Exhale, cat, round and curl. And take a few rolling cat-cows here. This is great because it allows your spine to feel nice and smooth, as well as everything is stacked over one another. Take 2 more breaths in this posture. Nice open mouth exhale. 1 more, nice open heart. And exhale, curl. And when you're ready, come into a nice tall seat. Place your hands on your thighs. Take a deep breath in. Bring your hands into heart center. Deep breath in, friends. Nice open mouth exhale. Bring your thumbs to third eye center, the space between your eyebrows. Give yourself gratitude, give yourself light, give yourself that moment to really recognize your practice here and embrace the open heart that you've just created. 1 more deep breath in, deep breath out. The light, the love, the student in me honors and bows towards the light, the love, the student in each of us. As we bow forward toward our practice, we say namaste.
Namaste.
Thank you all so much, and thanks Maria and Audrey for being awesome hosts. We hope to see you guys at your next class. Have an amazing day.